guys, so I'm Athira and I'm from India and currently working as a nurse in Germany. So I would like to give you some tips and you can consider it as a guide. So all the nurses out there, watch out this video. So I will help you to reach Germany, or I can guide you to become a nurse in Germany. So I'll be doing a series of videos, and in that videos I will tell you how to become a nurse in Germany and what is the process and how long it takes and what all should you do and about the language thing. And first of all, in this video I would like to say why did I choose Germany. I reached Germany last year November 2020 and I have done all my visa process and my language course through KLAN India office, and which was such a great experience, I will tell you. Even after arriving here and during job, KLAN Germany and India are coordinating and assisting me with even small paperworks, and they are providing me with personal level attention and assistance is experienced from the KLAN team. Thank you for assisting me, KLAN team. Thank you so much. So as I said, why did I choose Germany? You all will have the same question in your mind. So here's the answer. First of all, the time taken to come to Germany as a registered nurse is comparatively less when compared to the countries like the US, Canada and UK. And the visa process is also a long going process. I think for Canada and US it will take almost 2 years to complete the visa process. For US and Canada, the time for visa process is comparatively long, which is almost 2.5 years, and for Germany it will be only less than a year, or we can say 10 months. Yeah, and you need not only the visa process but also you need to clear exams like NCLEX to work as a registered nurse in Canada or US. But for Germany you just need to clear the language, which is the B2, and you will be having an adaptation course here. Then you have a oral exam which will not be difficult to clear, and you can work here as a nurse. By the time of adaptation period you can still work here. That's the attractive. The ability to promote you in your career as a registered nurse in Germany is so evident. The Germans are clearing their bad image in the Nazi era. So if you are a good nurse or a very qualified nurse in German, there is more chance to get promoted when compared to a German nurse. Talking about the language, German language is not a difficult language to learn. I'm here since last November and literally I'm telling I couldn't speak a single word properly. Really, I learned the language, I cleared B2, but we just need to speak. That's important. I have the knowledge of language but I couldn't speak, but now I speak fluently with my. You just need to give 10 months of your life to learn the language, and you will get a new language in your CV which will open my colleagues, and when I go out I talk to people, and that's the best way to improve your language. Many opportunities for you as a nurse. And the next point is Germany is a very advanced country, and when compared to India, I'm using very sophisticated technologies in the medical field which you will only find in Germany. That's the advantage of being a nurse in Germany. The life in Germany is perfect and easy for a nurse. The public health and public education are easy norms in Germany which are perfect, and it is difficult to compare this public health and public education system when comparing to countries like US, Canada, because they are much more better than those countries. They cannot be compared to the schools in US or Canada, because the public schools here in Germany are providing free education to all children, no matter if they are a foreigner or German citizen. And the next thing is, you can reunite with your family, which is a very easy process. You can bring your husband, your wife, your kids to Germany only after 3 months of arrival, and they will be provided with free education and health insurance in Germany. The whole family will be having free education and healthcare. If you want to do any further studies, it's also free in Germany. The education system is for the public, for the people living in Germany and who are planning to have a good education here. It's completely free. The last point, but not the least, it's of course the nature. It's so amazing, and it's amazing everywhere, anywhere. When I go out, it's really every climate of year, every season of year, it's beautiful. Now it's summer season here, but it's beautiful. You can see all the trees bloomed, and it's really an amazing experience to go out in this season. So that's all. Why did I choose Germany to work as a registered nurse here? Hope you find the video interesting and hope it helped you, and bye bye.